We are building Audium.
Founder and CEO of Kingbreaker.
This is Atham.
Now our company name is called Safe Rule Solutions.
Our company is called Reinvent.
We work on a venture called Phycosite.
I'm Michael Riza, and we're making an alternative to conventional leather made from fungi.
CreateX is Georgia Tech's initiative to help students launch startups that are not only successful and also impactful.
Georgia Tech is known for training problem solvers, leaders who can think of new solutions.
What we have here is a rich ecosystem where 1,000 flowers are blooming.
We give them the mentorship, the resources, and the coaching so that they can launch startups that will make their dreams a reality.
CreateX is effectively an incubator at Georgia Tech where they'll take you from having founded a startup to customer discovery, to your first clients, to growing the business.
They get to you, they get the problems you try to solve.
I think my biggest goal as a coach is really just helping students build confidence.
Yeah, I do think CreateX has been great for confidence levels.
Our students are good at problem solving. We want them to be good at problem finding.
We're making a concerted effort to pull in more underrepresented entrepreneurs, more first-generation founders, more female founders.
It has really been life-changing. It's helped us a lot.
I would say actually more than half of the students or half of the startups that go through the program end up continuing, and we've got quite a few that have turned into billion-dollar companies.
But really the goal with CreateX is to make Georgia Tech the #1 startup school in the United States.
CreateX, simply put, is a collective of ideators and entrepreneurs who want to change the world with their ideas.